I'm going to show you how I make a stitch marker out of satin cord. We make a loop, make another loop, take your end, it goes over, under, over, under, and come back around, goes over this loop, up through the middle. Gently pull, you want to keep this hole open for a little bit longer and then stick this inside this way. Now you're going to pull the rest of it tight. You'll have to follow the loop around to get it all tightened up. So we have a loop and a pretty knot, and I adjust the loop down a little bit so that it will fit on my knitting needle. I snip it off, giving it just a little bit of space. This. Then I use a candle and melt the ends together. There. So now I have a satin cord stitch marker.